Hi everyone, I will show you how to clear Instagram search history. Open your Instagram app. Now tap the search icon in the left bottom. Now tap the search bar on the top. You can see the see all option in the top right. Tap the clear all option in the top right. Tap the clear all. Now the search history is empty. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.